Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two of the most popular online advertising platforms, Google Ads and Facebook Ads. Both platforms offer powerful tools to reach your target audience, but which one is the right choice for your business? Let's find out, understanding the basics. Google Ads and Facebook Ads are both pay-per-click PPC advertising platforms, but they work in slightly different ways. Google Ads allows you to display your ads on Google's search engine results page and on other websites within the Google Display Network. Facebook Ads, on the other hand, lets you target users based on their interests, demographics, and behaviors on Facebook and Instagram targeting options. Both platforms offer a wide range of targeting options, but they differ in their approach. Google Ads allows you to target users based on keywords, demographics, location, and interests. Facebook Ads offers even more granular targeting options, such as interests, behaviors, and connections, ad formats. Google Ads offers a variety of ad formats, including text ads, display ads, and video ads. Facebook Ads also offers a range of formats, including text ads, image ads, video ads, and carousel ads. Cost and ROI. The cost of advertising on Google Ads and Facebook Ads can vary depending on factors like competition and your bidding strategy. In general, Google Ads tends to be more expensive, but it can also offer a higher return on investment, especially for businesses that are targeting specific keywords, audience reach. Both platforms offer a vast potential audience, but they differ in terms of reach. Google Ads can reach users who are actively searching for your products or services, while Facebook Ads can reach users who are interested in your brand or industry, even if they haven't searched for your specific keywords. Choosing the right platform, the best platform for your business, will depend on your goals, budget, and target audience. If you're looking to reach users who are actively searching for your products or services, Google Ads may be the better option. If you're trying to build brand awareness or connect with a specific audience, Facebook Ads could be a good choice. Integration with other platforms. Google Ads and Facebook Ads can be integrated with other platforms to enhance your marketing efforts. For example, you can use Google Ads to drive traffic to your Facebook page and then retarget those users with Facebook Ads. Conclusion. Both Google Ads and Facebook Ads are powerful tools that can help you reach your target audience and drive results. By understanding the key differences between the two platforms, you can make an informed decision and choose the one that's best for your business. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jugaar Expert. Hit that notification bell for more tech content. Thanks for watching.